welcome to Land and Sea DIY. Today we're going to trim our Fakahatchee grass. Say that quickly. So it's well overdue for trimming and got a lot of dead grass underneath. It's probably a year overdue for trimming.
Well over. So, but we're going to take care of this today because we have bulk trash coming this week. This is actually no fun to work with. Let's see if the camera can see. But these, it's like a sawgrass, right? Saw teeth.
Is it?
Yes, feel it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we're wearing long sleeves and long pants for a reason.
So I guess I should get gloves.
Yeah, you need gloves because this hurts. And again, I don't know if you can. It's very difficult to see, but this will tear you up.
Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, no, you don't want to run your thumb across it. So.
All right, let's do it. Gets pretty yucky. And definitely needs to be trimmed up, and we're gonna have a lot of dead grass under there, but that's okay. Here we go. Let's get to it. Last bag, last black trash bag anyway. Again, yes, we should have been better prepared. Had the heavy duty tear resistant bags and at least a box of them, but now we gotta work with what we got. One of our 4 mango trees starting to provide fruit. once again, you see Greg and I cutting up the Fakahatchee blades of grass that are just really long. They're far too long to actually try to mulch into the grass. We've done that in the past. When they're not too long, we just mulch it into the grass and it's fine. But when they're this long, it does more damage to the grass than any good. So it's best that we just kind of cut it up, take advantage of the green trash bins, and we had it picked up the following day, and everything else goes in the bags. Some live oak trees that are always dropping leaves, and what happens is they get up in here inside of these grasses and cause a lot of damage. Actually kind of rots them out a little bit.
All right, coming up on the last one. It's getting a little bit dark. You can see down the line there. Big difference. That's it. Just got to pick up this little bit. All right, we are done. Right at darkness, as usual. And you can see our pile of bags here. Everything nice and neat. Two trash bins full. That's it. And more bags for bulk trash. Yeah, big difference. All right, and please don't forget to subscribe, like. You do need those subscriptions, please. So yeah, if you could subscribe and hit a like, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.
Of course, we have to pull the dirt out of this one. This is where we saw the big hole. You know, it's hard to see in this light, but it's a big hole. Something's still living down there. We have not put the concrete in. We'll do that soon, and we'll probably take some video of that. But yeah, there's a big critter living under there for sure. That's just the leaves. We still need to add a few things to this pile for bulk trash. Yeah, so here you can see how we've trimmed them down and they look great. They're not perfect though, because they don't grow perfectly. Get as close as we can to their little bundle, their little footprint, but some are healthier than others. Some have a better root ball system, some get better sun. We don't do a lot for these. We don't feed them, we don't have to water them. They're at the edge of the yard where it gets all of the water, the drainage, and it helps a lot in the summer to reduce excess water. So yeah, they're like weeds. They grow like weeds. Again, they're not going to be perfect little circles, but they will grow back and look wonderful once they fill out again. Later, and we got them all trimmed up. Of course, we have more leaves. They just keep falling. Both from the king crepe myrtles we have here, and avocado trees, and mango trees, and oak trees. But the grasses are all cleaned up, and they are good to go. And for probably another 6 months, and we should probably give them a trim, not let them get so big. All done.